Now, your exclusive local alert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Folks, it was another mild day with temperatures generally in the 50s throughout the region. Old Mill District here is showing that the pavement or the parking lot did receive some rain earlier today, but it seems to have been drying out. We do have a bit of a breeze. You can see the center stack here with the flag on top moving pretty briskly up there. So there is still a bit of wind in the region, and we'll continue to monitor that for you as we move forward in time. It's not going away anytime soon. Mount Bachelor right now is experiencing a bit of mist on the way up to it on Century Drive. You can see that foggy condition there. Oftentimes that'll occur with the warm air over top of that cold ground up there with still a little bit of snow left on it. Santiam Pass has some rain and mist. It's wet and rainy, and Willamette Pass and Government Camp also experiencing the rain. Seems like most locations to our west and north are getting wet weather. We are just kind of on the edge of that. Madras has a little bit of a wet roadway there. Some portions of Bend are wet. Prineville saw a little bit of rain. Not much there in Redmond, but Sisters and Lapine also have some wet roads and some light rain falling. So what are we tracking? Well, we got this mild pattern ahead with near record warmth. We're going to be in the 60s through a number of the next few days. I'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. The atmospheric river, we're also tracking that. It is moving north of Central Oregon, but we're still on the edge of it and getting some rain, and we're still windy at times with gusts near 25 to 30 miles an hour. Speaking of, here is a look at the gusty conditions coming from the southwest. In Bend over the next 12 hours at about 20 to 25 miles an hour. Same thing in Redmond, about 20 or so miles an hour, peaking at 24. Again, from the southwest, these conditions in Madras will have a little bit of a dip and then reach the 20s at the midnight hour and then relax a bit towards the teens. And Sun River and Lapine are going to be seeing less gusty winds than other locations, but still moving at about 15 miles an hour. All right, let's take a look at the atmospheric river, a river of moisture high in the sky that is streaming into the coastal areas, getting squeezed out by the mountains. The heavy rain leading to high river levels, possible landslides and mudslides. We have evidence of that already. That is what's happening today. Tomorrow, that shifts up through to the north. Now, the atmospheric river, again, not really impacting us too much tomorrow. We should be relatively dry. And as we look at the bulk of that nasty, heavy rain falling in and around areas of northwestern Oregon and western Washington state. Got about 7 inches of rain estimated over the past 3 days in southwestern Washington, about 5.5. They are just in between Salem and Madras. All right, here is a look at the river flood warnings. These are the brightly colored polygons here. Those are surrounding rivers that are at flood stage or could be shortly. This other area is the green, Kelly green. That is just basically the flood watch. So be mindful, we're seeing still this streaming moisture coming into the area. Here it is. Radar stops it as it tries to get into the Tri-Counties, which it has not been able to do. The mild pattern persists. We're staying in the mild side of this, continuing to watch this river move to the north. Everybody in Washington along the coast is going to get hit while we stay on that dry and mild pattern. So that's what we're dealing with. Here we got it right now, 55 and 53 right now in Bend and Redmond. Tomorrow, we're going to be at 62 in Bend, 59 on Thursday with a 61 on Friday. Saturday into the 60s. We stay in this mild pattern for quite some time.